Welcome to this week's 2-Minute Tuesday, which I'm delighted to be delivering from the fire safety event in Birmingham. Today's video is to highlight a recent piece of guidance from the SCA, the Smoke Control Association, in relation to natural smoke vents. The document is titled Guidance on Smoke and Heat Exhaust Ventilators, Applications and the Use of Actuators and Ventilators, EN 12101 Part 2, 2003. In many ways, it is a welcome document given there has been a great deal of misunderstanding and therefore non-compliance in the area of natural smoke vents, particularly facade-mounted vents, which in this document are referred to as vertical intake and extract ventilators. The document seeks to clarify proper practices and compliance and summarises much of its content in this paragraph. Individually tested components that are designed to, manufactured to, tested to, or in accordance with EN 12101 Part 2 are not compliant and are misleading, resulting in a non-compliant solution within the building, creating delays at handover or worse, should there be an incident and the product fails to operate. The fitting of a window actuator to the vent is therefore non-compliant unless the two products have been tested together, completed under a third-party audited process and correctly certified to EN 12101 Part 2. It also helps to summarise the correct approach to ascertaining the required areas of natural smoke vents, whether roof or facade mounted. This is something that currently causes much confusion and is often a source of contention between specifiers and building control. The clarification should help resolve this. There is one area that I'm not entirely comfortable with, and that's the inference that top-hung, side-hung and inward opening facade vents are acceptable solutions for the purpose of smoke control. I'm sceptical of the efficacy of the top-hung and inward opening facade mounted vents, as I don't believe they're an effective method of smoke ventilation, and are advised against in BS 9999 for manual vents, which presumes a similar stance on automatic opening vents. I believe side-hung facade-mounted vents increase the risk of negative discharge, and for this reason also have concern in this area. However, I met today with David Mowatt, the chair of the SCA, who agreed with my concerns and has asked me to write to him so that I'm hopeful we can gain some clarity on this important point. Despite my concerns over these elements, the remainder of the document is of great help and I believe is a positive step forward for clarity and understanding of these critical elements of building safety. I will include a link to the document and recommend you take a read. Hopefully this has been a helpful highlight of this new piece of guidance. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you'd like more content like this, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, and as always, I'll look forward to seeing you next week. Bye for now.